The ISDA Master Agreement is the legal backbone for many derivatives deals between financial firms and large institutions. ISDA stands for International Swaps and Derivatives Association, the group whose forms are widely used in over-the-counter markets. The agreement creates one legal framework, so later swaps, options, or forwards can be documented faster. It sets the legal ground rules before the trading details are added through separate confirmations and schedules. The Master Agreement sets the relationship rules, while each confirmation records the specific economics of a single trade. A relationship often starts with core legal documents, then grows as multiple trade confirmations are added over time. That shared rulebook matters because derivatives can stay active for years and involve many moving parts. The ISDA agreement is about structure and legal clarity. It helps explain how complex markets stay organized.